Hey everyone, I'm Mike Brooks in the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen. Once again with Chef Valerie from the OUTU School of Community Medicine. Tian,
yeah,
in a plate or in a casserole or whatever it is gorgeous.
Yeah, it is. It's a very beautiful dish, so very impressive to take to a potluck or a barbecue or anything that you're going to be doing this summer when you get out and start socializing again, right?
Can't wait for that to happen.
Okay,
yeah.
So this is a Provençal dish. Okay, so it's a French dish that is just a combination of eggplant, zucchini, yellow squash, tomato, garlic, some Italian herbs. We're using oregano today. And so we already have some eggplant cooking, but I wanted to show you, so with the eggplant, just cut both ends off of it, and then you can cut it lengthwise, okay, so that you have the two halves of the eggplant. Turn it over, always get a flat surface to cut on. Don't try to cut your rocking vegetable here.
Been there, done that.
Okay?
Yeah.
And so then cut it into some slices. And still at this point, they're probably going to be a little bit too thick. So at this point, take it, cut it again. You're just going to try to make some small cubes. I like to try to show how to break down these larger vegetables because I think that they can kind of be intimidating. So you can see at this point that we have some cubes. And so you would continue and do the entire vegetable.
Right.
And so that's what we already have in this pot. So we have some eggplant. It's an entire eggplant that's already been sauteed in a little bit of olive oil with some garlic. And we're going to take the contents of this and just put it in this little tart pan. You could use a pie pan or any kind of, say, 9x13 dish, or maybe more like a 9x9 or 8x8 dish. So this is just the base of the Tian. And so once this is cooked, you are just going to go ahead and add the pretty top, which is, I just like to pick a little color combination here. Red, yellow, green. Whoops.
Okay.
Red, yellow, green. And you're going to go all the way around. And so once this is completely assembled, then it is like a gratin. It is like, so potatoes au gratin, okay? So same thing. You will sprinkle a little bit of breadcrumbs all over the whole thing. You can do Italian herbs. Today, again, we're using oregano.
Right. And what is this?
So this is nutritional yeast.
Okay.
So it's very high in protein and very high in B vitamins. And you're just going to sprinkle this on top in place of what you might use for Parmesan cheese. So if you can't eat cheese because of dairy or trying to avoid dairy for some reason, this is an excellent substitute.
Great idea.
Has kind of a cheesy flavor with it.
Okay.
And so this whole thing is going to go into the oven, bake for say 40 minutes or so, and then you end up with this.
Look what comes out of the oven. Is that gorgeous, people?
Very
Look at that.
beautiful.
I like that. Red, yellow, green. Red, yellow, green. Beautiful. Perfect. All right. Once again, from the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen, we have recipes that you can make at home, make you and your family very, very healthy. It's all on our website, and it's all thanks to Chef Val. So thank you.
Thank you.